Far too many people still rely on old, unreliable cookware, not realizing how much time and flavor they lose every single day. The truth is, upgrading to a modern electric pressure cooker can completely transform your kitchen experience. These smart multi-cookers go beyond just boiling rice or making soup. They help you cook faster, safer, and smarter while locking in flavor and nutrition. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best electric pressure cookers on Amazon, handpicked for their performance, versatility, and user-friendly design. Whether you're a busy parent, a student, or just someone who wants easier cooking, you'll find the perfect one here. But before we start, make sure to check the links in the description below. They'll take you directly to the latest discounts and best deals on every product we talk about. Let's get into it. Starting off strong, we have the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker, a true classic, and one of the most beloved kitchen appliances worldwide. This versatile machine replaces 7 appliances in one. It's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and warmer. You can make soups, stews, curries, rice, or even yogurt with just the push of a button. Its stainless steel inner pot is durable, non-reactive, and easy to clean, while the built-in microprocessor adjusts temperature and pressure automatically for perfect results every time. The included Instant Pot app gives you access to over 800 recipes, making meal planning a breeze. It's efficient, consistent, and ideal for anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine. If you're new to electric cookers, the Instant Pot Duo is the perfect starting point. Next up, we have the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 multi-cooker, an upgraded version that adds even more cooking options to your kitchen. Just like the Duo, it handles all your pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice making, and steaming needs. But it goes further with sterilizing and sous vide capabilities. That means you can safely sterilize bottles, jars, or utensils, and even prepare gourmet-style meals with precision temperature control. The LCD display is brighter and easier to read, offering intuitive controls with progress indicators. Whether you're simmering, sautéing, or pressure cooking, you'll always know exactly what stage your meal is in. And with the Instant Brands app, you get step-by-step recipes that guide you through cooking like a pro. The Duo Plus is a must-have if you want to elevate your kitchen experience with smarter cooking features. Moving on, we've got the powerhouse, the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 pressure cooker. This model is built for serious home chefs and larger families who need both speed and capacity. With a massive 8-quart stainless steel pot, it's perfect for cooking big batches of stew, soup, or rice in one go. The Pro doesn't just cook, it learns. You can save your favorite recipes as presets, so next time, it's just one touch away. It replaces 10 kitchen appliances, including a sous vide cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, sterilizer, and food warmer. Its upgraded inner pot heats up 20% faster than standard models, and the cool touch handles make it easy to move safely. The black stainless steel finish gives it a premium look that fits perfectly in any modern kitchen. With whisper quiet steam release and advanced safety mechanisms, the Instant Pot Pro is one of the most reliable and advanced pressure cookers available today. Now, for something smaller but incredibly effective, let's talk about the Zojirushi Micom 3-cup rice cooker and warmer. While it's technically not a full multi-cooker like the Instant Pot, it deserves a spot here because of its precision and build quality. This compact cooker uses Micom Fuzzy Logic technology, which automatically adjusts temperature and cooking time for perfect rice, porridge, or mixed grains. It's ideal for small families, dorms, or anyone short on kitchen space. The stainless steel exterior looks elegant, and the retractable power cord makes it super convenient for storage and travel. Despite its compact size, it offers multiple cooking modes and keeps food warm for hours without drying it out. Zojirushi is known for its long-lasting, reliable kitchen products, and this rice cooker is no exception. If you're a perfectionist about your rice or want consistent results every time, this one's a winner. Finally, we have the Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart 10-in-1 pressure cooker, the most high-tech model on our list, and truly the future of smart cooking. This model connects to your Wi-Fi, letting you control and monitor your cooking from anywhere using the Instant Brands Connect app. You can start or stop cooking, release steam, or adjust settings, all from your smartphone. It's perfect for multitaskers who want complete flexibility. This model offers 10 functions, replacing nearly every cooking appliance you can think of, including a press, pressure cooker, slow cooker, steamer, sous vide, yogurt maker, and even a canning pot. It also features a large touch display, quiet steam release, and a sleek stainless design that looks great on any countertop. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or trying out a new recipe, the Pro Plus Wi Fi makes everything seamless. So there you have it, the top 5 best electric pressure cookers on Amazon right now. From the reliable Instant Pot Duo to the versatile Duo Plus, the powerful Instant Pot Pro, the compact yet precise Zojirushi Mycom, and the futuristic Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi, each model brings something special to the table. These cookers don't just save time, they make cooking fun, safe, and incredibly rewarding. Whether you're cooking for one or for the whole family, these appliances will take your meals to the next level. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and Amazon deals on each of these amazing cookers. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and buying guides designed to make your life easier, smarter, and more delicious.